Hi guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa trending Filipino singer na naman nagpamalas ng kanyang husay sa pag-awit sa mundo ng social media na talagang pinusuan at pinag-usapan ng netizens. So ito nga si Jean Jordan Abina sings Carpenter's Love Me for What I Am. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong performance niya. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin to. Wait lang. So, excited. So, eto na. Ay, wait lang guys. Sorry. So, eto na. Jean Jordan.
We fell in love
Oh.
on the first night that we
Wait, wait.
met.
Kaboses niya. Totoong boses niya
Together
to?
we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have
Oh, yung
not
galing
been
ah.
hard to face. But lately little changes have been
Uy,
slowly
boses niya talaga.
taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do.
Ang ganda ng boses niya.
But
Grabe,
you
kinikilabutan
can
ako.
rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am simply. Don't love me for what you intend. Hope that
Ang
I'll
ganda.
forgive. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I
Wow,
must
ang
be
galing.
free.
Ang galing niya.
If what you are isn't natural to me, I'll pretend to keep you. What I have to be. The picture of perfection is only in your mind.
Wow.
For all your expectations left can never be designed. We let take each other
Kaboses niya si Karen
for
Carpenter,
who
no?
we are.
Grabe, parang nabuhay.
The life we leave behind and make another start. You've got to love me.
Parang siya talaga, no? Sounds natural. Grabe. Sana ganito yung boses ko. Galing. Wow. Pag pipikit ka, makakuan eh. Parang yung original yung kumanta na si Karen. Galing. Wow. Sarap pakinggan. Natatouch ako sa kanta niya, tapos kinikibutan ako guys. Tignan nyo. Wow. Sobrang galing. Nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud meron tayong ganitong no? Singer. Napakaganda ng boses, no? Kaboses pa ni Karen Carpenter, no? Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? You know? Bye po!